Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in Alpana's biology class. So let's start and see how much you are good in biology. So this is the quiz time. The structural and functional unit of life is tissue, cell, organ or organ system. It's cell. Cell theory was modified by Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, Rudolf Virchow or Purkinje. It's Rudolf Virchow. In cell, site of protein synthesis is nucleolus, cytoplasm, cell membrane or ribosomes. It is ribosome. Movement of ion in and out of the cell is regulated by plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus or cell wall. It's plasma membrane. The term cell was given by Robert Brown, Robert Hooke, Leeuwenhoek or Schleiden. It's Robert Hooke. Ribosomes are attached to RER, SER, Golgi complex or lysosomes. It's RER. The infoldings of the inner membrane of mitochondria are called tubules, cisternae, cell membrane or cristae. It's cristae. Which cell organelle is found in animal cells only? Cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria or centrosome? It's centrosome. The organelles associated with synthesis of lipids and steroids are endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi bodies or plasma membrane. It's endoplasmic reticulum. The term protoplasm was given by Robert Hooke, Leeuwenhoek, Purkinje or Virchow. It's Purkinje. A prokaryotic cell lacks endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, या both of them or ribosomes. It's both of them. The non-living part of a plant cell is cell wall, cell sap, protoplasm or nucleus. It's cell wall. Robert Hooke wrote a book entitled Genera Plantarum, Inquiry into Life, Micrographia or De Planis. It's Micrographia. Human RBCs are placed in a solution. They swell up and finally rupture. The solution is isotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic or none of these. It's hypotonic. The outermost covering of a plant cell is plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, vacuole membrane or cell wall. It's cell wall. Cell wall in plant cell is made up of starch, glycogen, cellulose or chitin. It's cellulose. Chemically, cellulose is a lipid, protein, polysaccharide or amino acid. It's polysaccharide. The organelle not present in human cheek cells is nucleus, plasma membrane, mitochondria or chloroplast. It's chloroplast. Protoplasm is true solution, suspension, colloidal solution or none of these. It's colloidal solution. This provides mechanical support to the cell. Cilia, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum or Golgi complex. It's endoplasmic reticulum. Cell secretion is carried out by nucleolus, plastids, Golgi complex, or endoplasmic reticulum? It's Golgi complex. Suicidal bag of the cell is lysosome, ribosome, contractile vacuole, or nucleus? It's lysosome. Cell vacuole contains water, cytoplasm, metabolic wastage, or water and dissolved substances. It's water and dissolved substances. Mitochondria are seat of ATP formation, electron transport, cellular respiration, or all of these. It's ATP formation. Lysosomes are reservoir of RNA, fat, secretory glycoprotein, or hydrolytic enzymes. It's hydrolytic enzymes. So students, see yourself. I hope you must have solved most of the questions. If not, then please try it again. And I'm sure it is going to help you in your examination. Thank you all of you. Don't forget to write the comments and please subscribe this channel for the next video. That is quiz time. Thank you.